Hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? I hope you're good, great, fantaberifical. I am here with just a super quick voice intro. Sorry guys, this is not going to be a full voice video. It is going to get sped up, but I wanted to come on with a quick intro here in the beginning to just say thank you for sticking around. Those of you who have been subscribed since I started, what, 5 years? 4 years? 4 years? 5 years? Brain sucks. But thank you for being around. However long it's been, thanks for sticking around and not unsubscribing during my times of like just total loss of mojo for months at a time. It's something that I struggle with. I'm working on it. So thank you so much for those of you who have stuck around. For those of you who came in and subscribed as newbies during my loss of mojo, thank you so much for just binging my videos. Thanks for those who are brand new today on this video. Hey! Just thank you. And the reason I'm saying thank you, if you guys haven't seen the post that I threw out there on Instagram and Facebook, I have finally hit 10K subscribers. The fact that I've hit this milestone, when I honestly thought it would take me probably another year to even get there with my absolute inconsistency, I'm just super thankful and surprised and shocked. And thank you so much for being a subby. I really love you guys the most. I am going to have a special 10K video coming, but it's probably going to be an actual full length, probably long, talk through, make with me, maybe a giveaway in the end. So it needs a little more work. That's why that's not the video you're watching now. But yeah, before we get into this, thank you again, guys. I really appreciate you. I love you all the most. I'm going to try my best to just get back into the swing of things. I've been feeling so good lately creating. If you've noticed, this is my fourth Sunday, not eighth, fourth Sunday in a row. I'm trying to keep this Sunday thing going. So hopefully this isn't going to sound super cliche, but subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I've never really said this kind of stuff before, but I'm realizing that YouTube just doesn't put your videos out there like they're supposed to. So if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, like the video if you like it, share it, pin it, all kind of special stuff, subscribe, etc., etc. Let's get into this video. I'm going to be working again in my craft paper book here. I've only done 2 pages in here so far, and this was from the dollar store here in Canada, Dollarama. So cute. I've got a few little bits and bobs and my chalky paints. I pulled out these chalky paints because I feel like they might go better in here because I felt like working with watercolor instead of acrylics today. So let's see how it goes. And then I just pulled out some bits and bobs. You know me. I may use them. I may not use them. I kind of want to go with this sort of color scheme of like a peachy color and a blue. We'll see how it goes. Got some pens because you know I got a doodle. And yeah, I'm going to speed it up now and throw on some music. And I might be back in the end to give you a little outro, so enjoy the video. See you in a minute. Okay guys, this is it. I was gonna put some more stuff on here, but I'm thinking to myself, why? I love negative space, as you guys know if you've been following me, and lately I've been loving more and more negative space. So this to me looks fully finished. I don't know why I'm sitting here looking at the rest of these bits and bobs, but you know, bits and bobs make me happy, and I always want to be like, should I put this? Should I put this? No, leave it alone, Sam. I feel like every color goes on this tone paper, because these colors went so nicely on this paper. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, coming soon. I don't know if it's going to be the next Sunday video or the one after that, but it is going to be a nice, long, chit-chat, let's play 10K. That rhymed. I'm a poet and I know it. I do have a bit of a review coming up. Not gonna mention what that is, but yeah, that might be the next video. Anyway, I'm sitting here babbling as per usual. Let me say goodbye, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!